Gumagamit kayo ng lubricant, baka yan ang dahilan bakit hindi kayo nabubuntis. Lab studies show na water-based lubricants like KY jelly ay nagre-reduce ng sperm movement by 60 to 100%. Pero real-world studies say walang negative effect. Kasi hindi lahat ng lubricant ay pareho. May fertility-friendly options na available. Ako po si Neil Brian Galve at ito po ang Nurse Brain at ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang safe na gamitin. Una, avoid commercial lubricants. KY, Astroglide, lahat yan ay may chemicals na pwedeng maka-effect sa sperm motility based sa lab studies. Pero may natural alternatives. Pangalawa, use sperm-friendly options. Pre-seed lubricant o natural oils like canola oil ay hindi nakaka-affect sa sperm. Check with doctor muna before using. Pero yung best option, pangatlo, natural lubrication. Extended foreplay ay nagpo-produce ng natural lubrication na sperm-friendly. Plus, mas enjoyable pa para sa both partners. Remember, if kailangan nyo ng lubricant, choose fertility-friendly brands. Pero natural lubrication pa rin ang best option para sa conception.